Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a Jeep Wrangler enthusiast in search of the ultimate upgrade, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the world of the best headlights for your Jeep Wrangler. Let's light up your adventure. Number 1. Super E headlights are an absolute game changer for Jeep Wrangler JK owners. These bad boys are a sight to behold, lighting up the road like it's daytime, even in the darkest of nights. Installation? A breeze. They fit like a glove and instantly give your Jeep that rugged, futuristic look. The brightness is next level. You'll see every bump, dip, and obstacle coming your way. The build quality? Top-notch. They're built to withstand the toughest off-road adventures. Trust me, Super E headlights don't just illuminate the path, they elevate your Jeep game to a whole new level. Number 2. BO headlights, the ultimate game changer for your Jeep Wrangler JK. These headlights are a beastly blend of style and substance. With their sleek design and powerful illumination, they transform your Jeep into a head-turning masterpiece. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, the BO headlights keep you safe with their unmatched brightness. No more struggling to see in the dark. Easy installation and durability make them a must-have upgrade for Wrangler JK owners. Upgrade your ride and light up the night with BO, the road warrior's choice. Number 3. Online LED headlights. If you're a Jeep Wrangler JK owner, your ride just got an electrifying upgrade. These headlights are an absolute game changer. Say goodbye to dim, lackluster beams and embrace the brilliance of the night. With online LEDs, you'll turn heads on and off the road. Their sleek design seamlessly fits the Wrangler's aesthetic, while the ultra-bright, crisp light ensures unmatched visibility. Installation? A breeze. No more fumbling in the dark. Illuminate your path, enhance your style, and make your Wrangler the envy of the road. Online LED headlights see the world in a new light. Number 4. Huster headlights, a game changer for Jeep Wrangler JK owners. These headlights are not just a bright idea, they're a dazzling upgrade for your ride. With their sleek design and crystal-clear illumination, you'll turn heads day and night. Whether you're cruising city streets or conquering off-road trails, these headlights are your trusty sidekick. Easy to install and built to last, Huster has truly lit up the road ahead for Jeep enthusiasts. Upgrade your style and safety with Huster headlights today, because when it comes to your Jeep, brilliance is key. Number 5. Auxbeam's remarkable headlights, designed to transform your Jeep Wrangler JK into a luminous beast. These headlights are an absolute game changer, illuminating the darkest trails with a brilliance that's second to none. With Auxbeam, you're not just driving, you're leading the way. Their sleek design seamlessly integrates with your Jeep's aesthetics, making heads turn on and off-road. Installing them is a breeze, and their durability ensures they'll outlast any adventure. Say goodbye to dim trails and hello to unparalleled clarity. Auxbeam's headlights redefine what it means to drive in style and safety. Elevate your Wrangler JK experience today. In conclusion, selecting the right headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JK can greatly enhance your driving experience, safety, and overall aesthetics. We've explored some top options in this video, each with its unique features. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Thanks for watching.